So here's the Apex Nano. You're gonna got up here is the air conditioning. You can move this around actually. And yeah, it's supposed to sound like that. Those snappings. Because what you want is to make it exactly what you want. So if you want a lot of air to come out this way, you're gonna do that. Or maybe you want it like so and close it fully. So you can close these and open them up. And it's okay if it makes that clicking sound. They're supposed to click into place. So right here you can see the directions. We can go on and just turn it to have the vent turned on. Or in this case, the AC. So you go this way. This right here, this dial is how cold you want it to get. So you could leave it right there or go full max on. If you're just turning this on, I would max it out at first and then put it down later on. And you're gonna see this right here. This will open this up. So let me just turn this down a little bit. So right now that it's in the middle, it's just a vent. And right here, if you point it right there, that's when actually this will turn on and you're gonna get that cold air coming in. So it has to be pointing that way. I'm just gonna turn it down just a little bit so we get a little bit less air inside. I'm gonna show you this here. That will open this up so the air will come straight down. So a lot of you may not want that because maybe you're right underneath, you're cooking, anything like that. You may not want this to be blasting the air downwards. You may want this to be closed and then air just coming out from the sides, and that's why we open these up. Again, you may not even want that, so you close these or you open them up accordingly to what you want. You have one on each side. There's a lot of air that's supposed to be coming out at the moment. So again, we can have this open so all the air comes out, or closed. Right here, you're gonna get more and more power. And then if you go all the way, this will just turn it into the fan. So it's not really anything else but a fan. But this is the system right now. We're just gonna leave it on, and that's how you guys can turn this on or off. For off, all we have to do is just put it there, and right now it's off. So that's how you guys can turn on and off the AC right here on your RV.